Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. As we discussed in the past, global equities, especially US equities, are performing well on a day to day basis. On Thursday, even though the Dow Jones broke previous day's low, it climbed over 700 points during the day and closed at the highest point. It is positive for other markets in the world. SGX Singapore Nifty is following the same and it's up trading 150 points. The overall formation of the market is indicating us that it is forming some rounding bottom sort of formation, and whenever there is a rounding bottom sort of formation, we see gradual upward activity in the market, and eventually it tries to hit the upper boundary of that particular formation. So the upper boundary is around 17,500, which is too far and too big to expect. But at least in the near term, we may see the market to reach the levels of 17,000 or 16,900, where it has resistance of 50 days simple moving average. Currently, the Nifty is around 16,650. So after the higher opening, we are going to see the market somewhere close to 16,800, where it has ultimate resistance. So above 16,800 or a closing above the level of 16,800 will be a big positive for the market, and in that case the chances of hitting 17,000 maybe 200 would turn bright. But in the near term, 16,900 and 17,000 should be the levels to watch out for. If there is any correction during the day because of any reason, we should look for adding some long positions somewhere close to 16,700, where the market has spent maximum time, and we can keep stop loss around 16,550 for the same. The Bank Nifty was underperforming yesterday, but if we compare Bank Nifty with Nifty of last 10 days, then Bank Nifty was outperforming when it recovered from the lower levels. When there was correction, that time also the Bank Nifty was down lesser than the fall in the Nifty, and maybe that's the reason the Bank Nifty is not performing currently, but it is trading just below the important average of 50 days simple moving average, which is around 35,750. Above that, the chances of crossing 36,000 would turn bright, and we may even see the levels of 36,500 or 750 in next few days or maybe weeks. Broadly, there also we have a bullish view, and we should be buyer with a stop loss around 35,400. For the day, it is mandatory for the market to close above the levels of 16,800, which is the ultimate resistance. And if the market manages to close above 16,800, then it will be a big positive for the market, as it will be a close on a weekly basis. So weekly closing is always matters a lot for any markets. Apart from this, we need to again concentrate on technology stocks, select financial stocks, and also we need to focus on few commodities, as they have fallen heavily and some short covering is not ruled out. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us, and have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.